Web-based Academy and Work Environment for estudiantes de Negrete, Course English, instructor Karen Castañeda, activity y video presentación 10 de marzo. Hello, my name is Eduardo Negrete. Today I will start with the importance of well-being academic and work environment. In the presentation, I will explain how nutrition and physical activity and mentally well-being can improve productivity in health. Nutrition and health habits. Nutrition is very important for health and the productivity. Eating healthy food like fruits, vegetables, and protein gives your body energy. For example, eating salads, kids and rice, it brings out better health, would say activity and the focus. If people eat unhealthy food every day, they may feel tired and stressed. However, in projects and the student eat balanced meals, they can improve the eye concentration and performance. Physical activity and exercise. Physical activity is algo essential for well-being. Doing exercise like walking, running, cycling, or playing sport help improve physical and mental health. If people exercise regularly, they feel more energy and motivate. Exercise also reduces stress, improves productivity for school. Organization can promote sport activity, gym programs of activity bring during the days. Mental well-being and productivity. Mental well-being is another important factor in productivity. A positive environment helps people feel motivated and comfortable. If workers or students feel stressed, their performance can decrease. Whenever the organization promotes teamwork, helping routines, and good communication, people feel happier and more productive. Reference: These, these are some references that support the importance of nutrition, exercise, and well-being in academic and professional environment. Gracias. Thank you for your attention. Referencia for Hill, Organización 2020, Harvard Lewis y Robbins, 2017. Gracias.